Yo, what's up everybody? It's Mr. Clark here. Today's session we talking about solving division algebraic equations. Alright, let's get started. Alright, before we do these equations, let's look at what multiplication really means. So anytime you're given multiplication, you can think you're told the number of groups times the amount per group, and that's what gets us our total. So we're going to use this model and flip it to look at division. So using our example then, we get 12 divided by 3 equals 4. 12 was our total, and now it's being divided by the number of groups, and that gives us the amount per group. So we're going to use this model as we look at our algebraic division equations. So here's our equation, x divided by 2 equals 4. If we use our mental model, I see that x is our total, 2 is our number of groups, and 4 is telling me the amount per group. Alright, so using our equation, x is our unknown total, so I'm going to use a rod to represent that total. But I have 2 groups, so I'm going to use 2 rods as placeholders for those 2 groups. And then the 4 tells me that there's 4 in each of my groups. Now using this model, I can easily see when I put them all together that my total is 8. So x equals 8. Alright, let's do another example using our model, but then we're also going to show the math operations behind it. Alright, here we have m divided by 5 equals 3. Remember, our variable on top means we don't know our total, and it's split into 5 groups. So I'm going to use 5 rods to represent those 5 groups, and then each group is going to be 3. So if we bring it all together, we can see our answer. But what are we actually doing when we do this? Well, we have 3 groups of 5, so that's 3 times 5. Now, when we look at the other side, what started off as a variable split into 5 groups, we brought it back together. And we did that by actually multiplying it by 5 as well. And that's what brings it back together and creates the whole variable. So notice when we show the math, we actually ended up multiplying both sides of our equation by 5. And when we do that, it leaves us with m equals 15. Alright, and that's how you can use your manipulatives to model a division equation, as well as showing the math behind it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out.
Created using Powtoon.